we have seen DJI almost conquering the drone realm with the Mavic 3, and undoubtedly, it's the best consumer drone out there. And if you prefer the best cinematic view from the bird's eye, this is what you're likely to go for. But to give a tough competition to this flyer, Autel is likely to launch the next generation version of the EVO series. And leaks about this upcoming drone suggest some massive improvements and upgrades. So, in this video, we will be showing you all the leaked features of the upcoming EVO drone and how it might perform against the DJI Mavic 3. Jasper Allens has posted a picture on Twitter mentioning if it's the upcoming EVO model from Autel. Well, it does represent the same design as Autel drones, and from the design, it seems the next drone is likely to be more compact than its predecessor when folded. Besides, there's also a full spec sheet of the upcoming drone that was also shared by Jasper Allens. From the image, we can see that the next generation version of Autel EVO is likely to get some massive upgrades. And the main upgrade is likely to be the camera sensor and image quality. Autel might launch 4 different variants of drones offering either a 1-inch CMOS sensor or a 4x3-inch CMOS sensor. You'll be able to choose your preferred one. Nevertheless, the EVO 3 with the 1-inch sensor is likely to be the basic version, whereas if you want more professional type footage with an 8K resolution, you can go for the EVO 3 Pro. Moreover, Autel might also unveil a version with excellent zooming capabilities. This might allow the user to get up to 10 times fusion zoom with more clarity than most other drones offering digital zoom. And the last one is likely to be called the SuperSense with a whopping 1.4-inch larger sensor. This is certainly going to be a huge upgrade for a prosumer drone. Besides, a larger sensor will undoubtedly ensure better low-light image quality. All the captured shots will be more detailed and crisp. So, the SuperSense seems more likely to be a professional-grade drone in a compact form factor. For avoiding obstacles from every side, all 4 drones might come up with a fisheye omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensor. So, no matter how tough the surroundings get, the upcoming EVO 3 is likely to dodge them all. Besides, the live transmission of footage is also likely to be an upgrade, as all the variants might offer dual-band high transmission image transmission technology. This will allow the drone to transmit images at up to 10 km range. The shared spec image also suggests that the US region is likely to get an additional 900-meter range for live transmission. What doesn't seem to have an upgrade is the battery life. According to Jasper Allens, the EVO 3 is likely to offer around 38 to 40 minutes of flight time. The current model of EVO provides almost the same amount of battery life, so Autel should upgrade the battery capacity a bit more for ensuring more flight time. Though the spec sheet mentions a delivery timeline of October 2021, this seems to be more like an internal deadline. As the Mavic 3 has already been unveiled, we might see all the variants of EVO 3 being launched sooner than we expect. So, based on many speculations and considering the launching of its preceding models, the first quarter of the next year seems more likely for the drones to get unveiled. What more upgrades would you love to see in the upcoming EVO drone series? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found the video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.